But it is spring, and apparently time to clean up the yard.
WBZ's Pamela Gardener talked with a gardening expert in Cambridge about what you can do to get ready for growing season.
Well, Mark, we're talking about spring cleanup, but it feels more like winter.
It's been a terrible April so far, but we're starting to get back in the gardens, and let me show you what we're up against this year.
March was especially rough with the nor'easters. Many homeowners have tree damage, some structural damage, and branches littering the yard.
So we've been able to clean up this property pretty well so far, but what you're going to find for a lot of people, they have lots of evergreens, and with that heavy snow that we had in early March, a lot of them took a lot of weight gain and are leaning or snapped in half. And at this particular house, as you can see across the pond over here, they've got 3 of them now that are leaning to the side.
So if you have evergreen damage in your yard, experts say stake or support the evergreens to keep your investment intact. I've been noticing a lot of brown leaves on some of the plants and bushes. What is that?
Well, winter burn. You know, snow cover is a wonderful thing to have during the cold months because it helps protect the plants. But if there's no snow cover, the cold winds can burn. And here's a nice example. This is called the Lacothaway, and it's got a lot of winter burn. And what you can do is peel off these leaves, or eventually new growth will emerge, and they'll come back. And then one really popular one that always gets burned are boxwoods. And this client definitely has some burn in his boxwood leaves. And again, you can try to pick them off, but fertilization, pruning, and hope for some nice new growth.
We did find the new buds sprouting among the debris, a sign that warmer temperatures are just around the corner. Pamela Gardener, WBZ News.